today to show you guys a demo in cleaning one of the dirtiest rooms in our homes, generally speaking, the bathroom. And for me, with 4 boys, the bathroom is a place that pretty much gets wiped down on almost a daily basis because, let's face it, boys are not great at aiming, they're not good at wanting to be clean, they're not good about caring if other places are clean either. It's just a fact of life. And for me, with 4 boys, ages 8 to 13, it's just gross. So it is what it is, and that's why it gets wiped down every day, and that's why I love Norwex, because I'm not using chemicals when I'm wiping down the bathroom every day. So bonus, bonus, bonus. What we're going to do today is clean my toilet using only my EnviroCloth and water, and of course that EnviroCloth has the backlock technology, so it has the microsilver woven into it, which has the antibacterial properties, and it is our microfiber, with the microfiber itself being 200th the size of a human hair, and so it's really fine and it really helps pick up those germs and that bacteria. So what we're going to do is, I have 2 of these little swabs right here. Neither one of them are used yet. You can see right here, they're clear at the bottom. And we're going to swab my toilet first before cleaning it. So let me explain a little more about these swabs before we get going. You can see they have these little colors right here. And basically what we want to happen is for this right here on the bottom afterwards to turn green. Green means clean. Purple is gross. Purple means that there's still germs and there's still protein residue. And what this swab does is it swabs for proteins on the surfaces. Proteins are smaller than germ particles. Protein particles are smaller than germ particles. So it's really important to remember here, because if there's no proteins left afterwards, after we use our EnviroCloth and water, that means there's no germs left, because the protein particles are smaller than the germs, and if it's picking up protein particles, it's picking up the germs too. So, let's get started on this. Pop this open. Swab here, swab here. And we'll get the back of the toilet, because that's where boys are grossest. And then we'll just get the inside of the toilet and the back over here too. Okay. Pop it back in. Here's our swab. Pop this. I'm going to shake this. Purple. Already. You don't even have to wait, which is super embarrassing, because I actually wiped this down 2 days ago. I didn't do it this morning. I didn't do it yesterday because I knew I was going to be doing this demo for you guys. So it's been like 2.5 days. Purple already. Super disgusting. So definitely showing that there is protein particles on my toilet seat that really, on the surface, looks pretty clean. You wouldn't think it. Alright, so now we have our EnviroCloth. And it's already wet and it's folded in 4s. So we're going to wipe off the surface really good. We're going to get under here again. Alright. Wipe off the seat. Close this down. Wipe it off here too. And again, you can see I'm not changing sides on my EnviroCloth right now. I'm continuing to use the same side, so you guys really can see that this is going to work, and you're going to be totally impressed, and you're going to want to run out and go buy some of these things. Okay, done. Next step, we're going to take our new swab. So just so that you guys see, this one's new. It's not colored or anything yet. Here, pop this open for us. protein particles on my toilet, and that my toilet is clean now. Look at the difference. You can see them. It's pretty great. See? So again, these are a product. They're called ProClean. They're not sold by Norwex. So this is not something that Norwex has put together to show that their products work. They're sold totally separately. They're used in medical places to show cleanliness and their medical grade quality. And yet, here we go. Norwex, my microfiber cloth, my EnviroCloth, and water just totally cleaned my toilet. There you go, folks. If you have any questions, post them below, shoot me a message, text me, email me, anything you want. I'm more than happy to help.